So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket, and Microsoft has released another version of VibeVoice, their brand new TTS model, but this time it is an ASR model, that is automatic speech recognition system. That means it can take up any speech and then convert it into text. It can be of great use for a number of products. The best part, it just doesn't output the text but a couple of things as well. One is the timestamp also, and other is who is the speaker ID as well. So if there are multiple speakers in the text, it is able to recognize that. The model is completely open source, and as you can see, it is available on Hugging Face as well. Right now it is trending on Hugging Face 2. The model is available on GitHub, you can try it out. Apart from that, the model can also access 60 minutes of audio and can convert it into text with ease completely. As you can see on the screen, VibeVoice ASR is unified architecture. This is the architecture of the new model that they have released, and the demo can be tested out on Hugging Face Spaces also. Some of the benchmarks are also mentioned that you can see the model is quite good. Now we are shifting to the details of it. VibeVoice ASR, Microsoft open source speech to text model for long form audio. This is very important. Unified speech to text model processes up to 60 minutes of audio in one pass. 3-in-1 design: ASR, speaker diarization, and time stamping. The structured output is who, when, and what. Speaker ID, timestamps, and content. 60 minutes of single pass processing. Customized hot words can also be fed in. That means you can enter your special words that the model is unable to recognize. Multilingual and open source as well, as you can see on the screen. What is the minimum hardware required? It can work on a CPU, 32 GB of RAM, while recommendation is a GPU RTX 4090, VRAM 24 GB. Performance is significantly very fast, and model size is quite huge, that is 17 GB. It's a big one, to be honest, if it is just serving ASR, and that is the only downhill I can see in the model. These are the Docker installation method that the team has mentioned in the documentation of Hugging Face. You can check this out. Launch NVIDIA PyTorch container, flash attention, FFmpeg, clone and install VibeVoice, etc. Installation of the source code. Create a virtual environment, clone the repo, pip install everything, and then you're ready to go. How to use it? Upload the documentation, provide the hot words, that means the words that are special to you, and then transcribe everything. Very easy. Output is speaker labels, time spent, and content. Supported formats are MP3, WAV, MP4, MOV, FLAV, etc. There are CLI command usage. And tips for best results: use clear audio recordings, add relevant hot words, start with shorter audio, ensure sufficient memory, and Mac users should use MPS backend. Quality matters, clear audio equals to better transcriptions. Summarizing it all, it's free to use, MIT licensed, 60 minutes of audio support, easy to install, unified ASR plus diarization.